Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Steam not syncing cloud data. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If Steam is not syncing cloud data, it can be frustrating, especially if you rely on cloud saves to access your game progress across different devices. Here are some steps you can follow to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First method would be completely exit Steam by right-clicking the Steam icon and the hidden icons and choosing to click Exit Steam. Reopen Steam and try syncing again. Next method, open Steam and go to Steam, Settings, Cloud. Ensure that the Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for applications which supports it is enabled. Another method, right-click on the game in the Steam library, choose to click Properties, go to the General tab, and ensure that Keep Game Saves and the Steam Cloud for Game is enabled. Another method, still on the Properties, go to the Installed Files tab, then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This can fix any corrupted files that might be causing sync issues. Another method, open Steam, go to Steam, Settings, Downloads, then click Clear Cache. This will log you out of Steam, so you will need to log back in. Another method, ensure you have a stable internet connection. You can restart your router or modem if necessary. Next method, sometimes antivirus or firewall software can interfere with Steam's ability to sync. Temporarily disable these programs and see if syncing works. If it does, add exceptions for Steam in your antivirus firewall settings. Lastly, as a last resort, consider installing Steam. Make sure to back up your game data and save files. And install Steam via Control Panel, Programs and Features. Right-click on it and just hit on the uninstall. Download and install the latest version of Steam from the official Steam website. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.